So let's play Would You Rather. Would you rather replace your kitchen backsplash, or would you rather replace that old swamp cooler? How about some new flooring in the house, or would you rather replace that sewer line? Here's where I'm going with this. Taking the time to make the necessary repairs to the systems, like your swamp cooler, which could leak into your house, destroy your roof, or that sewer line, which can back up and destroy your floors. These are gonna lead to more repairs down the road and eventually more heartache. So before you take the time and spend the money on those cosmetic updates, be sure to do those mechanical upgrades. Share this with a friend and tell them Skip said so.